Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get all these free accessories, cases, Samsung SmartTag2, and all that stuff for free when you order your device at Samsung.com. I ordered my phone from Samsung. This is my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. As you can see it here in titanium black. And I got free stuff, a lot of stuff. So I'm going to show you how to get that. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so when you go to Samsung.com, you can get this for free. You can get all these accessories for free. I was able to get 2 cases and a SmartTag2 for free. And simply by going to Samsung.com, when you go to the website, you can pre-order. Right now you can no more pre-order, but you can get yours straight. And this is unlocked phone. So the reason why I got the unlocked phone is that I get the first update when they see the new updates on Android and also on One UI 7. So this phone works with One UI 7. It's nice animation, nice display, nice layout. I didn't go through it yet because I've been so busy. But right now, in a few days, I'll come back with new tips and tricks and a UI 7. So when you go to Samsung.com, this is where you can come in and order your device. And as you can see it here, guys, when I traded my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's a big upgrade for me. People are saying that it's not worth it to upgrade, but it's a good big upgrade. I'm not sure about the look of the phone though. This look, it defeats the purpose of Galaxy Notes, right? So, but anyway, it's time to change. You cannot have the same thing every year. And also it is very light. So the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra feels more premium to me when you hold the phone in hand. But anyway, you gotta move on, to something new. So when you go to Samsung.com, after I ordered, I get these free cases. As you can see here, this is one of them. And they came with the boxes right here. So this is one of them. This is the one I got. And also this one right here, which is a heavy duty, and this is the box for it. So when I put this one on, look, it looks like a leather case. I think it's leather. Beautiful case. When I put it on, this is what I get. This is what it looks like on me, on my phone. And then you can see the frame down, the silver frame around the cases. I'm not too sure if I like that, but if you have a jet black, it's gonna be all black. And as you can see, this is the case. Good looking case right here. Good looking, very comfortable, to hold, and it is super nice. And it looks like a leather case. And now let's try the other one. And this is the other one. This one is much more rugged. It's a shell, but it looks like it can break easily though. But anyway, this is what it looks like on my device, on the phone, when you snap it in. Right, it looks very good. You can see the titanium frame, and it says Samsung here. And as you can see, this is a beautiful looking case, right, when you put it on your device. Okay, and then now I got the smart tag. We're gonna go check out the smart tag. And this is the smart tag that I got from Samsung. I think I should go ahead and, while it's filming, I think I should go ahead and install it, put it on my keychain, right? So maybe I should do that. But at first, when you go to Samsung.com, I'm going to show you how to do this anyway. So let's go ahead and try to pre-order. Click on pre-order, and then here you can see the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus. But you got to click on S25 Ultra. That's what I got. And here, as you can see, it tells you save up to $1,200 plus. Get up to $900 instant trading credit and up to $300 in Samsung credit, which is a great deal. Better get it from carrier, and it's better to get the unlocked device. So right now, let's scroll down. And again, you get the unlocked 512 titanium gray or any color you want, right? And over here, as you can see here, it says $1,300 instead of $1,419. Before trading, say $120. And if you want to finance it, this is what you pay every month. And then let's go down here. I'm going to show you get the carrier, but I chose unlocked version. And also over here, you see the prices here. So the 256 gigabyte storage is $12.99, and the 512 gigabyte is $1,419. But you can save instantly. You pay $1,300, same price as the 256 gigabyte. So I think it's a great deal. And when you go to 1 terabyte, you save even more. But I got the 512 gigabyte, this device. And the color I chose, you can choose, this is the jet black. Those three colors is exclusive Samsung.com. So if you order from Samsung, you can choose these colors right here. But the color I preferred was this one right here, the titanium black. So this is what I chose. You can choose any different color. This is another one. If you look for something gray, titanium gray, and then they have titanium blue and titanium white, right? And then trading up to $900, save up to, depending on what kind of device you trade in. And I chose trading, and I chose a mobile phone. And over here I chose, you have to make sure that your device is in good condition, not cracked or nothing. So yes, my device eligible for in good condition. And then over here, the brand, you can select the brand of your device. It could be anything, Apple, Google, Samsung, or anything else. I chose Samsung because I want to trade in my Samsung device. And here you can select your device. And as you can see it here, guys, Galaxy Z Fold save $900. That's crazy. You can trade it in for $900. And as I scroll down, this is my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I chose that one, and then it asks you to choose Samsung Care, but I don't want to do that because I'm gonna do mine through my carrier. Okay, so you click here, no coverage, and then over here you can choose tons of items. All right, over here it tells you, hold on, here you can choose some other items to add if you want. You want a Galaxy Watch or anything else, but I'm not choosing none of those. And then here it says $12.99, right? $54 a month if you wanna finance it through Samsung Finance, or you can just buy it outright. And then now when I come down here, it says here is that if you want to pick it up in store, I don't know why it is this much, but however, you continue online ordering, instant saving $120. And from here you can select some other stuff. It comes with free subscription such as Peacock, Lightroom, and also Sirius XM free subscription for three months, right? And then now we're gonna go back and select pre-order up here, and here it says trading device. Yes, trading, I already said it, but it says error here. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, yes, agree. I forgot to agree with that. And then here, add on, this is where you select your free stuff. And as you can see it here, $80 worth of merchandise, accessories, because depending on what you traded in, the amount of accessories is determined by the device that you traded in. Now from here you can select your accessories, cases, smart tags, and anything like that. And I chose this one right here, this case right here. I selected this one, and this is this one right here. Nice cases. It's a kind suit. Learn more, you can see it over here. This is the case, this is what it looks like, and in different colors, right? You can choose any color you want. So I think this is a gray color, light gray, or maybe light blue, light gray, I believe. Yeah, this is a light gray color. It looks totally different in real life than in the website. And then I chose this one right here. This one is not available. I was looking, but I can't find it, but it's similar to this. Let's select this one and learn more. And it's totally different, you know. Actually, yeah, look at this. This is the case right here, right? So it's $22 right now on sale, 50% off. It used to be $44.99. And then I select this SmartTag2, which is this one right here, and the black one. And as you can see it here, $29.99, and I think it is 50% off as well. Actually, it is not. That's a regular price. And now I only have 1 cent left, as you can see it here, 1 cent. And then from here you can click on continue. And then when you continue, this is where it's gonna ask you all questions, delivery informations. But as you can see it here, total $6.99. So this is my final price. If I want to finance it with Samsung Finance, you can finance it and pay $29.17 every month for 2 years. So it's up to you, whatever you want to do. But this is how you get all these free items from Samsung, right? When you order from Samsung.com, that's how you get all these free items. And I think it's a great deal. You should go to Samsung.com and order your device, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25, S25 Plus. And I got the unlocked one, as I mentioned before. Alright guys, so that's about it. That's all I got for you. Free cases from Samsung. Go ahead and order your device and get free items. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.